Hi allesammans. Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the 10 most popular ways to say thank you in Norwegian. The Norwegian language has much to offer regarding expressing gratitude in many settings. In fact, by having Norwegian language skills and putting in an effort to learn, it will be easier to live in Norway or visit Norway. Now we will look at circumstances when you might be able to say thank you in Norwegian. This will be helpful for those who learn Norwegian and want to learn how to speak Norwegian the same way as the locals do. Here are the 10 most prevalent Norwegian expressions for thank you. Takk, 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 thanks. The best way to learn Norwegian fast is to learn basic Norwegian words first. Takk, takk is the most common way to express gratitude to others in Norway. You can say takk, takk in a lot of different situations. For example, when you receive food at a restaurant, get a receipt or a bag at the grocery store, when someone compliments you, and so on. Tusen takk, tusen takk, tusen takk. Thank you 1,000 times. When you say tusen takk, it sounds friendlier and more enthusiastic than just saying takk, takk. So why not thank someone 1,000 times? Mange takk, mange takk, mange takk. Many thanks. This expression sounds more formal than saying tusen takk, and communicates a very polite way of speaking. Takk skal du ha, takk skal du ha, takk skal du ha. Thanks shall you have. This is an excellent expression to thank someone who gives you something and sounds a little bit more polite than just saying takk, takk. Takk for hjelpen, takk for hjelpen, takk for hjelpen. Thank you for the help. You can use this phrase to thank someone who has helped you. Takk for maten, takk for maten, takk for maten. Thanks for the food. When you visit your friends' homes in Norway, you should thank them for the food they offer you. You can say this phrase when the plates have been cleared from the table. You can also use the phrase when you are leaving your friends' homes. Takk for sist, takk for sist, takk for sist. Thank you for the last time we met. This expression means that you want to thank someone from your heart. And it's a common phrase to use when you haven't seen your friend in a while and you've previously done some fun things together. In this manner, you acknowledge your meeting and express how pleasant it was when you met each other the last time. You may respond to this expression by saying I like måte, I like måte, I like måte. The same. Takk for meg, takk for meg, takk for meg. Thank you for having me here. Use this phrase if you have been invited as a guest somewhere and want to leave. Takk for I dag, takk for I dag, takk for I dag. Thanks for today. This is an expression that is suitable to use at work in Norway. It expresses a thank you for the time and cooperation that you have spent with someone. The phrase is used when you have had some time of interaction. It is not used after changing merely a couple of passages. in a conversation with someone, for example, at the shop. Takk for nå. Takk for nå. Takk for nå. Thanks for everything until now. This expression can be translated directly as you want to thank someone for what you've done until this moment. You can use it similar to how you would say takk for I dag. Takk for I dag. Thank you for today. And say it to someone you know better and have a social connection with. While you want to learn Norwegian fast, when learning a new language, you should also learn how phrases and words are used and in what situations to use the right phrases. Take, for example, the expression takk for alt. Takk for alt. Takk for alt. Thank you for everything. It would be best if you were careful with this phrase, as it mainly used at funerals to bid deceased farewell. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. So sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no